Today's question is to enter any two numbers and print the cube of the numbers starting from the first number to the last number entered. Let us say two numbers given are A and B. So A, let us say we are given 3 and B we are given 7. So it will print the cube of 3, cube of 4, cube of 5, cube of 6, cube of 7. This is the question, but this program is to be written using return type function. Return type function. And as you know, the program begins from the main function. So this is the main function. Program executes from here, and we need some variables in the program, so they are also declared, and we are going to enter the value for A and B. So A is 3 and B is 7, for example. I need a for loop to run the loop from 3 to 7. So int j is equal to A. So A is 3, so j is also 3. So 3 is less than B, B is 7. So 3 is less than 7, j is less than B, true. As it is true, it will enter the body of the for loop and it will go to this particular function. And the function is cube series, and this D is a variable used which is going to get a value, a return value from the function definition, from here return, and it will return the value to D, which is in the main function. So from function definition it will return to main function. So D will receive that value, and what is received, it will print the number and its cube over here. So as I said, 3 is less than 7, true. It goes to this particular function cube series. It will try to search and it will find it over here. Public static double cube series int x. So this is the entire prototype for the function, and j, which is having 3 now, is passing its value to int x. So int x, so x also becomes 3, and it enters the body of the function. So there is finds another variable c, which has been declared as double. Because why double? Because we are going to use the function called mat.pow. So whenever you are using a mathematical function like mat.pow, the variable should be declared as double. Whenever you are using a mathematical function, the variable used has to be declared as double. So c is equal to mat.pow x comma 3. Mat.pow means it will find out the power, like 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 4. So here x is 3, which came from here, and 3 is the exponent, that is 2 to the power 3 or 3 to the power 3. And if I write 5 over here, so this will be 3 to the power 5. But today's question need to find the cube. So cube means 3, and if you have a square, then this could have been only 2, x to the power 2. So we'll calculate the square. So x to the power 3, x is 3, 3 to the power 3 is 3 will become multiplied for 3 times, 3 into 3 into 3, 27. You can write in the rough column in the copy, and it will return the value c, which is 27 coming from here. So a D will get 27, and it will print the value 3 and its cube 27, and then this is the closing curly bracket of the for loop. So we'll go back to the increment or update j plus plus. So j was 3 earlier, 3 plus 1 4. So 4 is less than 7, true. We'll get into the series over here, goes to the next line. D is equal to cube series will go back over here and pass it value to x. So j was 4, so now x will also become 4, and it will calculate the cube of x, that is cube of 4, and 4 will be multiplied 3 times, 4 into 4 into 4, because of mat.pow. Mat.pow is the mathematical function which will find out the cube of this particular x, which is 4 now. That means 4 to the power 3, that is 64. You can write in the copy 64 so that you can check later on. And then this will return the value C which is having 64 now, to D. D will get 64. Then it will print the value of J, that is 4, and its cube, that is 64. Similarly, loop will go back, J plus plus, J becomes 5. Now 5 will pass its value to X. Now 5 to the power 3, or 5 to the power 3 is 125. Write in the copy, return the value, that is 125, D 125, and it will print 5 and its cube, that is 125. Similarly for 6 cube 216, then the last number 7 cube, that is 343. So these are the numbers should get printed. So we'll check the program now. So the numbers printed should be 27, 64, 125, 216 and 343 if we take the numbers 3 and 7. So you can see the compile on the corner, give a click, class compiled, no syntax error at the bottom of the screen, no program, no errors in the program. Enter the first value, it says, this is asking us for the first value, 3 I have entered. Enter the second value, it says 7 I have entered. See, number is 3 and its cube 27. 4 cube 64. 5 and its cube 125. 6 and its cube 216. 7 and its cube 343. You can take any number to any number, doesn't matter. Any number. I'll show you. First time we had taken 3 and 7, that means 3 to 7. This time I am going to take 2 to 9. So 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 3, 4 to the power 3 till 9 to the power 3. See, 2 and its cube 2 to the power 3, 8. 3 and its cube 2 to the power 3, 27. Similarly 9 its cube 729.